Hello students, good morning. Welcome to our English class. In the previous videos we have done Unit 2 chapter I Want. I hope you have completed in your notebook. Yes, and today we are going to do our reading part of Unit 2 poem. And what is the name of the poem बच्चों? कौन सा है? I am lucky. Lucky means भाग्यशाली, नसीबदार, है ना बच्चों? जिसको हम बोलते हैं वो बहुत ही भाग्यशाली है, उसको हम बोलेंगे लकी. ओके, सो पे अटेंशन हियर एंड रीड अलोंग विथ मी. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, I F, if I, W E R E, were a B U T T E R F L Y, butterfly. If I were a butterfly, अगर मैं बटरफ्लाई होता तो I, W O U L D, would be THANKFUL, thankful. Once again, THANKFUL, thankful. I would be thankful. अगर मैं बटरफ्लाई होता then also I would be thankful. FOR, for, MY, my, WINGS, wings. For what you will be thankful? For wings to fly. If I were a butterfly, I would be thankful for my wings. If I, WERE, were a MYNA, मैना, in a TREE, tree, अगर मैं मैना होती तो IWOULD, would BEB THANKFUL, thankful. I would be thankful. For what you will be thankful? मैना, अगर मैं मैना होती तो किसके लिए हम thankful होते? THAT, that I COULD, could SING, sing. Yes, हम अच्छे से गाना गा पाते, है ना बच्चों, मैना की तरह. Next, if I, WERE, were a FISH, fish in the SEAC. If I were a fish in the sea, अगर मैं fish होती तो I, WOULD, would be THANKFUL, thankful. I would be thankful. अगर मैं fish होती then also I would be thankful. For what? THAT, that I can, WRIGGLE, wriggle, AND, and GIGGLE, giggle, with GLEE, glee, glee means happy. That I can wriggle and giggle with flea. अगर मैं फिश होती तो फिश किस तरह से पानी में तैरती है? ऐसे जंप मार के, अपने आप को बिंदास छोड़ के वो स्विम करती है ना बच्चों? उसी तरह से मैं भी कर पाता, है ना, मैं भी कर पाती अगर मैं फिश होती तो. सो IJUST, just, THINK, think, I am LUCKY, lucky, to be me, 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 NOT, not, YOU BUT, but, ME, me, not you but me. So I just think I am lucky to be me, not you but me. So तो इसमें क्या बोल रहा है कि मैं लकी हूँ. वॉट एवर आई एम, जो मैं हूँ वो मेरी जगह सही है. वॉट एवर आई एम गुड इनफ. if I, WERE, were ANNELEPHANT, elephant, अगर मैं elephant होता तो yes, so अगर मैं elephant होता तो then also IWOULD, would BEB THANKFUL, thankful. Then also I would be thankful. THAT, that I can, RAISE, race, MY, my, TRUNK, trunk, that I can raise my trunk. What the poet is telling here, अगर मैं elephant होता then also I would be thankful to you. Why? Because I would get a big trunk, है ना. अगर मैं elephant होता तो मुझे ये trunk मिलता and from that trunk I can raise my trunk and I can shower water. You can see he is sprinkling the water. If I were a kangaroo, kangaroo. Once again, kangaroo, kangaroo. If I were a kangaroo, अगर मैं कंगारू होता तो IWOULD would, TRY try, TO2 HOP hope. If I were a kangaroo, I would try to hop. कंगारू किस तरह से चलते हैं? वो जंप करते हैं, है ना बच्चों? They will hop. Okay? If I were a kangaroo, I would try to hop. Next, RIGHT, right? Up to the MOON, moon. I would try to hop to reach up to the moon. मैं moon तक पहुंच जाता. Next, if I were an OCTOPUS, octopus. If I were an octopus, 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 IWOULD would be THANKFUL, thankful. अगर मैं octopus होता, then also I would be thankful to you. For what he would be thankful? FOR4, my EIGHT, 8 ARMS, arms. For my 8 arms. You can see a picture over here of an octopus. He is having 8 arms. Okay, then also he would be thankful. So, JUST, just, THINK, think, I am, LUCKY, lucky. Then also I think that I am lucky. To be me, whatever I am, then also I am lucky. WHAT, what? Do you, THINK, think, YOUU, WANT, want, to be. Now you can think also what you want to be. Do you, WANT, want, to be, LIKE, like, me. What do you want to be? Do you want to be like me? आपको मेरे जैसे बनना है. OR, or, JUST, just, YOU, और just you, जो आप हैं वही आपको बनना है. JUST, just you, just you. So students, in this poem the poet is telling that if he is an octopus or an elephant or any other animal, then also he would be thankful for that a different thing he is having. So whatever you are, you should be yourself only. जो आप हैं as a human being वो सही है, because God has created us. Okay, so be thankful to God and pray always to God for giving this beautiful life to us. Okay students, so you read this poem. Okay students, till then take care, have a nice day.